Give thanks, DJ Rock. Yes, well, I'm IIL Culture. I'm here residing, coming in from Brooklyn, New York. I'm glad to be here. I'm here with the family. We're here in Biggie neighborhood, and I feel such a warm welcome. You know, the DJ just playing the nice music that put me in the right vibes. Yeah, yeah. Bless.
All right. Again, sorry about that, Ailey. Let the people them know going on and who are really Ali culture be.
Yes. Well, give thanks once again. Yes, and I'm IIL Culture. You know, here and from Brooklyn, New York. And I'm glad to be here with DJ Rock, here with the family. And I'm glad for such a warm welcome. You know, we out here on Biggie Block right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. You
So give
already know what
thanks.
time it is.
Ah.
Yeah, man. All right. So, I mean, honestly, what going on with Ailey culture? What it is the inner self of Ailey culture that let him know, like, yo, you're gonna be an artist.
Yeah, well, it's a thing that will pretty much grow up with me. You know, my first love was really drawing and painting and so, which I do up to this day, you know. But
Okay.
really, the music aspect of it came early when I was probably about 10, 11 years old, you know. I'm here with one of my brothers that could testify to it a long time that even in that time, you know, we were making structured music and so forward, and his mother was a promoter, and we were going to the studio and making music at an early age, you know. So it's been a long journey, you know what I mean? It's been many years we've been doing it, you know. So it's a thing that we love it, and is the reason why we do it up to now, you know.
Okay. All right. So, Ailey culture ain't just music. He's art and music. All right, but I see you like to crochet, man, boy. Yeah, that's the thing there. Yeah. Back home, yeah, that's a heavy thing in the Rasta community, my boy. You know what I mean? So
Indeed.
is that part of the culture movement?
Indeed, yes, indeed. You know what I mean? Because as you say, it's been a part of our people from such a time. You know, is called what they call in the field of textiles. You know, and you know, coming up as a youth, as you know, a bongo youth, you know, Manati growing, and it's not too easy for me to get those custom kind of hats where I would like, you know. So, you know, I asked a sister to teach me, and from there was on, you know. I fell in love with it as an art form again, and when I started making it and getting better in it, people wanted it.
Who was that? Who was that? Who teach you how to crochet?
My sister Shaki, blessed up sister Shaki, you know
Oh,
what I
your
mean?
sister teacher. Yeah, man, that's what's up, man. Yeah, man, that's what's up.
Yeah, man. So now at this point, you know, I might have hats covering people's head all over the world.
Yo, that's
you
what's
know what I
up.
mean? Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah,
That's
thanks.
what's up. Yeah, man. Each one teach one. You understand? Yeah.
Natural, natural.
All right. Yo, people, I don't think I really understand like type of talented artist this man is, man. You know what I mean? So here what? That one the RSVP. Before we drop that one day, give me a little history about that one day. Who you shoot that one day? Let them know who you shoot that one day.
Yes, well, this one is the name RSVP, you know, which stand for the French term response s'il vous plaît, you know what I mean? And we shot the video out in Cape Town, South Africa.
Wow, okay, yeah. Man went back to the motherland.
Yes, sir, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sister and Selwan, they shot the video and I edited up. And the beautiful sights of Cape Town and certain parts of Johannesburg, we give a certain highlight to certain aspects of Africa where they don't really highlight in the media. You know, the beautiful scenes by the beaches and so forward. You know, 'cause we know Africa is very multifaceted, you know.
Yeah.
Blessed.
All right. So here our audience and listening people, we're gonna play that one there. The one by Highly Culture, thing called
Choo.
RSVP. You understand? Listen, people, listen, listen, listen. I don't want IIL culture. Big people think, duh. Yeah, man. Is it? That one they were groovy. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, man.
Bless.
Yeah. And the artist there, highly culture. I understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I mean? We give it in different type fashions, you know, because we can't deny our influence, you know what I mean? And you know, I was once told that when you come, when you're approaching the music, it's best you come at 12 o'clock. You mean that meaning the second hand and I mean the minute hand and the hour hand are straight up. You know, so you must approach it straight up.
Exactly.
You know, no gimmicks. And you know, and I was brought up in Brooklyn, and I was born to parents of from the Caribbean. You know, my father is from Jamaica, and my mother's from Trinidad.
Okay.
So in the music, you know, you would hear the influences. You know, I do hip hop, and as you hear just so far, I do some cultural music. You know, hence highly culture. You know.
Yeah.
Bless.
Okay. All right. So, I mean, what type of artist you consider yourself? Because I mean, we didn't get to the rest of the tracks yet, but I mean, what type of artist you consider yourself, though, man? Because I see you moving more like a political type feel, you know, like you touching all the aspects and even the basics too. You know what I mean? You start from the basics and working your way up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I would consider it conscious music, you know, in the realms that whichever genre I put the music in, I try to instill a portion of spirit and some knowledge and also the groove of the music. You know, it's a whole mixture of things, but it's different genres, but it must always have a certain message to it and a tone to it.
I like how you say that, because my father, I mean, well, musician back home, man always tell me, if there ain't no message in the music, it's garbage. You know what I mean? Yeah, for real. Just he ain't telling you, he just giving it to you raw as it is. If there's no message, yeah, that's garbage. You know what I mean? So here we now. We gonna go over to the next track. Thing called Make Free Too. IIL Culcha. Here we now. You gonna see why I ask him if he's a political artist. Listen to that one, the people. Listen.
I pledge allegiance to African achievements. The African womb that bear the African genus. We were victims of the system. I pledge allegiance to African achievements. The African womb that bear the African genus. We were victims of the system. They said they don't need us, we were fooled by religion. And lied to our teachers, they cut down our leaders. Hoping that we chill, but we got something in our DNA they can never kill. Of your mighty ways you can accomplish what you will. Get your education, develop your skills. You ain't gotta pump or pack or put your life on the wheel. Taking penitentiary chances for $1 bill. I advise you to think it through. Think about the game, think of what it did for you. I mean, it's fast money, moving rat mummies, but investigators looking at you like a crash dummy. The game is vicious, the players is wicked. You think they mad cool? Wait till a pack missing. That's when they act different, thinking to get at niggas. Now is you gon' fold or you gon' clap niggas?
You check?
Now that is a rock in a hard place. Buying back his soul like Kanye. The devil eating niggas like an entree. Trapped in his inferno like Dante. Wait, hold up, wait a minute. We can do this different. Can't find a job, shit.
I don't want IIL Culcha.
Roll with the mob if the mob about building. But if they about chilling, then chill 'em. Hey, I'm able and I'm willing. My two hands got the potential to make millions. I feel my palms itching. It was written by the sweat of your brow, you get paid. And I ain't gotta choose a cage of the grave. Black kings, all black everything. Black kings, all black everything. YBA, young black Africans. YBF, you black faith.
Natural mistakes.
Yeah, people. Is it? Now you see why I asked them on that question there? Yeah. Different type of artists, man. For real. Yeah. Yeah, different type of artists, man. Yo, I get to see that one day. I get to see that video there, man, boy. For the people who ain't get to see that video, let them, break that one day down for them, man.
Yes, sir. Well, that one is actually called YBA, which stands for Young Black Africans. We actually went for a second trip again into Africa, South Africa. Which one?
Yes, it.
This so nice. I had to do it twice.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, like to bless up all the people of the Jacaranda Township in the northwest region of South Africa, because we went down there to go shoot the video, and one of my peoples live in one of the shanties, and he offered me his place and I could go and shoot the video. And once 1 and 2 ones in the community see that I was shooting the video, everyone came out and everyone showed love, and it was very cooperative, and so it also shows a different aspect of South Africa in the townships where we see people living, and one thing amongst them is that though things are not material there, the love is there amongst the people, and I felt I felt very welcomed, and so I'd like to bless up those people, and I would encourage everybody to check out the video. It's on YouTube,
Yeah, man, that was nice, for real. That one was nice. Yeah, yo, people, listen to me, IIL Culcha. Remember Rock tell you say, you better act like you know what's going on and stop playing. IIL Culcha. All right. That's it. Yeah, because he keep it blazing all the time. You know what I mean?
Straight.
You understand? So here, let's go over to the next track. This one after the Rick Ross freestyle. That's it. Cause like I say, My boy, they keep it, you know what I mean, 100 all the time. So here we go now. IIL culture.
Yeah, I had a dream I was in Africa, and then I woke up in Johannesburg. Yeah, I had a dream I was in Africa, and then I woke up in Johannesburg. 1,000 miles away, downtown, Marble Night, looking at art, eating a vegan entree. Yeah, I had a dream I was in Africa, and then I woke up in Johannesburg. 1,000 miles away, downtown, Marble Night, looking at art, eating a vegan entree. They say your boy when they see your boy, nothing looking like a soldier, redeployed. All the lies that they told me, null and void. Seen it with my own eyes. Africa made the. It's true. I see the views down in Cape Town, mountains in the clouds, looking like the Lord's playground.
Oh.
Maseratis, Maybachs, and all that. If they ain't living down, what you call that? She split in the township, lifted in the northwest with the Empress. This marijuana made me understand Swana. I told her that I wanna like Kia Ho, but Klamusadi. I think she likes me. Oh, I think I like it. So that I wanna like Kia Ho, but Klamusadi. Oh, I think she likes me.
Are you out there?
Oh, I think I like this.
Different, though.
I told her that I wanna like Kia Ho, but Klamusadi. Oh, I think she likes me. Oh, I think I like it. Africa just fit me so nicely. In the mix right now, yeah, I might be. With a chick right now, yeah, I might be. On the beach right now, yeah, I might be. Swear I never been no other place like this. I ain't never seen no other place like this. Taxi driver talking to me in Zulu. Just put me there by water, Sasulu. I'm a couple bags on the sand. I am my Dallas with my diva dancing. Traveling local with the locals. West Cape, East Cape, bi-coastal. Table Mountain, I can see it from a distance. Robin Island Revolution reminiscing. Down the Museberg, the view so nice. Atlantic Ocean water, cold like ice. I heard they had the best up in Swaziland. I'ma get an Empress to go gallivant. But I'ma need me a lot of rain. Pray I don't get caught with no contraband. A lot on my mind, a lot on my hands. But I gotta go grind, I gotta get bands. Oh, I think she likes me. Oh, I think I like this. Africa just fit me so nicely. In the mix right now, yeah, I might be. With a chick right now, yeah, I might be. On the beach right now, yeah, I might be. Swear I never been no other place like this. I ain't never seen no other place like this.
Yeah, man. I the one IIL culture. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man. You know other place like that for real, you know. Mama Africa,
Truth, son. It's the
Yeah,
roots, you
man.
know. I would encourage all black people to, you know, take a trip, you know. At least a trip to see for themselves, you know. Because there's a certain feeling when your feet touch that ground that, you know. Yeah. I think they don't really tell us about the welcome, you know. I received
They
such
don't
a
put that
welcome.
in the books. They don't put that part in the books.
Not in the media and all, none of that, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I give thanks, though.
Yeah, man. Below, in a song there, what was that you, what language was that you were speaking, no, man?
That's the Swana language from up in Northwest. They from in South Africa, but it borders Botswana. So in Botswana, they speak the same language, the Tswana language.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's that lingo.
Yeah.
I already know. That's that lingo.
For real.
They ain't ready for that, my boy. They ain't ready for that. Yeah.
Yes,
They ain't ready for that. Like I said, it's a victory right now. You know what I mean? I don't tell you. 21-8, no dead weight. You understand? Yeah, man. For real. Like I say again, I the one IIL culture thing called victory. Is it? Yeah, man. More victory.
Not child.
What we say now? You know I like that one there. That one got a big intro. Like I say, victory we are talking about. 21-8, no dead weight. You understand? Because we are fly through the gate. So we say, what?
Shall go down in history. I am a conqueror, and all these soldiers with me.
The one called for pull up from top. You understand? Like I said, 21-8, no dead weight, rock roots reggae, Triplevibes, triple threat. What we say, rock solitaire is there, up there.
Shall go down in history. I am a conqueror, and all these soldiers with me. We are warriors, we are Rastafari picnic. I and I are warriors, and all these soldiers with me. We fight for a cause, all this oppression and unjust laws, and make the old wise men go mad. Wars and rumors of wars, all this blood that's still on the land. I call on the laws of lords, of all the strength in my hand, to trample the Babylon.
What?
This victory shall go down in history. I am a conqueror.
You understand?
All these soldiers with me. We are warriors.
What?
We are Rastafari picnic. I and I are warriors. And all these soldiers with me.
What we say now?
Cause in the war, the warriors shine. His life's on the line. His heart is beating, but he's marching easy. Cause in the war, the warriors shine. His life's on the line, yeah. His heart is beating, but he's not retreating. Cause the victory shall go down in history. I am a conqueror, and all these soldiers with me. We are warriors, we are Rastafari picnic. I and I are warriors, and all these soldiers with me. We fight for a cause, all this oppression and unjust laws, and made the old wise men go mad. Wars and rumors of wars, all this blood that's still on the land. I call on the lords of lords, of all the strength in my hand, to trample the Babylon. Victory shall go down in history. I am a conqueror, and all these soldiers with me.
Yeah.
We are warriors, we are Rastafari picnic.
You
I
understand?
and I are warriors, and all these soldiers with me. The victory shall go down in history.
And the one highly culture.
And all these soldiers with me.
Thing called music is a message.
Warriors,
What?
Rastafari
You understand?
I and I are warriors,
Yeah.
and all these soldiers
Thing called King Culture Productions. What? You understand? Yeah, man. That one they blazing. Yeah. What?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Got a lot of steam coming with that song. Them, boy.
Yeah, man. That's victory, man. You know what I mean?
Tell me what made you create that song? Yeah, it is. Yeah, family, it is. Yeah, man, I like that one, them, man.
Yeah, man. You know, it was just, just looking at, the current situation because, what I mean, we can't, live under a rock, what I mean? We have to be aware of what's going on all around the world, and we can see that it's a common energy, you know what I mean, that we need victory in this time, man, you know what I mean? We want to be encouraged and see our history of our victories, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we could feel confident in ourselves. We could instill confidence in our children, and so we instill that into our music, yeah.
All right, yeah, man, you're right. Right, true thing you talk, no king, yeah, man. That's it. I don't want highly culture. Yeah, people. Stop playing. Act like I know what's going on. Because the man gonna vanish on you, you know. Alright, you come with the victory, now the man gonna vanish on you. You know? Yeah, man. Know what I mean? Yeah. Is it? So ever. Next big tune again. Thing called Vanish. You understand? So ever. There you go.
Yeah.
Maybe we just get up, Billy, vanish. Maybe we just get up, Billy, vanish. Maybe we just get up, Billy, vanish. We just get up, Billy, vanish.
Like I say,
Maybe we just get up, Billy,
him just get up and vanish on you. You understand? What we say? Versatile artist that. The one, IIL Culcha. What we say now? Whoa. Ah, whoa. Yeah, man.
Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. We just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. We just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. We just get up, Billy, vanish.
Yeah.
Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish.
Ah, whoa.
Get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish.
Whoa.
Just get up, Billy, vanish. Baby, we just get up, Billy, vanish.
You understand?
Get up, Billy, vanish. Get up, Billy, vanish.
You check? The one IIL Culcha.
Yeah.
Whoa. You see that one there? You understand? The man went from victory. The man tell you just gonna get up and vanish on you. You see it? Yeah, man moving fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pay,
See,
say
Rasta
no.
Mystic still there, you know, me boy.
Yeah, man. Rolling Stone
Don't
gathers no moss. You know?
Alright, you see it?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, man. Yeah, no. So, what? Because we just keep it rolling, man. We just keep it rolling. See the next one there? Man say you can get up and vanish on you right now, so you know. The man gonna leave you know one time. What kind of life a man live, is it? Real style. Real style, cause some boy get it twisted though. Okay. Some man get it twisted though. So I go tell you. What we say, Aile?
I know you no pork and I know you no chicken, but I'm on a rasta.
Pull up that, pull up.
So man.
We're about to get into some real epic shit. I know you no pork and I know you no chicken, but I'm on a rasta. All my brothers smoking Cali when I pop Mali, man a rasta. Ram from finance, the rest of all shutters on a rasta. You don't wanna pull up on your block, I made that thing a grata-ta-ta. Hit the spiff and reminisce about the hero, R.I.P. the Sam Shah. Haitian Revolution, I'm recruiting this in the with dirty man. Kick up the rebellion, grab a felon out the back of any cop car. Do what's necessary to get back to Africa, come on a rasta. Natty Congo Bongo Bingy Naya, that's who I am. From my clocks to my time, I'm a rasta man. Got the people in my pocket and it's taking up the place. Shorty asked me for a piece, and I don't need a gram. And it's all in the man. Good. I know you no pork and I know you no chicken, but I'm on a rasta. All my brothers smoking Cali when I pop Mali, man a rasta. Ram from finance, the rest of all shutters, man a rasta. You don't
Big up the one Isaac Faith. What we say now?
In a tabernacle reading chapter no Selassie I the master. Naughty Babylon a revelation apocalypse a disaster. Before me touch the road, cut you load and we read another chapter. Wolf in sheep clothes while me pull till them move them a actor. I fight the struggle so me not only toggle it. Catch me on the pinnacle and my leg and toggle thing. When I organize and centralize, spiritual and mentalize, and I build up with enterprise and make them come to gentrify the businesses. Education to the kids in this. Throw up the black fist in this. See what the naturalistic is. That we defend fire. The black emperor. The giant empire. We go yo with fire. I know you no pork and I know you no chicken, but I'm on a rasta. Watch your mouth. All my brothers smoking Cali when I pop Mali, man a rasta. Ram from finance, the rest of all shutters on a rasta. You don't wanna pull up on your block, I made that thing a grata-ta-ta. Hit the spiff and reminisce about the hero, R.I.P. the Sam Shah. Haitian Revolution, I'm recruiting this in the with dirty man. Kick up the rebellion, grab a felon out the back of any cop car. Do what's necessary to get back to Africa, come on a rasta.
Stop playing. Tell how you play with the artist. Yeah, man. Stop playing with the artist, no, my son.
Yeah.
Yo, people, stop playing with the artist. Yo, Aile. Yo,
straight.
Yo, doggy. Yo, what's you know? They
Straight.
playing, man. They sleeping.
Yeah, man. That one was the
Yes, sir.
refix, you know, because we don't mix, you know.
Yeah.
We just fix up that one in a way that our people come on receive it and feel good about it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because, yeah, we ain't taking no drugs. We ain't popping no mollies. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, yeah, that's the vibes. You feel me?
Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh.
So, the man see himself going back Africa anytime soon or in the future?
Oh, certainly so, man. The prospects for Africa is very inviting. and enlightening, you know what I mean? Because we'll find that when people get to understand the price of living over there and compared to the price of living over here, and when you balance it out, you do much better in Africa because I have everything over there that a one would need. There's nothing negating out there or in need of in certain region, you know. Of course, like in everywhere else in the world, there's poor people that always need help. You know what I mean? Yeah, so the prospects that's there is very encouraging. So indeed, I would definitely love to go, and likewise, I would encourage any others of my brothers and sisters to make that move too, man, because it's very enlightening, man.
Alright, that's what's up, man.
Yeah.
Give my boy, my man restaurant a plug, man.
True. Yeah. This one is
Go ahead, man.
true.
Big Brooklyn is Black
Indeed.
Wall Street, we be representing, you know what I
Oh,
mean?
yo, you know it's
Nah, I
funny.
say it right,
Nah,
yo, this is
nah,
Black
see, it's
Wall
funny. I
Street.
was just leaving here last week, and one of them, cause see, I'm from New York, my boy, from, you know what I mean, from St. Thomas, you check it. So when they hit me in a Black Wall, I was like, wow.
Listen, we
So I went
represent
home
Black
and
Wall Street.
did my homework,
Talk
you know what
about
I
it.
mean?
Talk
Yeah.
about it.
So go ahead and enlighten me, my boy.
What's
Go ahead and
going on?
enlighten me,
Tell
bro.
them what's up the road, right? Tell 'em
Go ahead and enlighten me, kid. Go ahead,
yeah.
enlighten me, man. Enlighten me.
Well, yeah, this video that we actually shot now, right, is in a actual business that's about to open here in Brooklyn. A restaurant, a black-owned restaurant named Bellyful, you know, and which,
That was
you
the
know what I
chef
mean?
I seen in front of the video, right?
No, that was the actual owner of the business.
Oh, okay,
you know what I mean?
okay.
Yeah, which will be employing people in our neighborhoods, you know what I mean? And
Yeah, that's
you
what's
know,
up,
and
man.
professionals, you know. So we encourage this right through, you know, because as the brother highlighted that Black Wall Street, you know, was a community, you know, in America in which it was very professional, in which they said the dollar in the community of Greensboro circulated 33 times before it left the community. You know what I mean? So that means the doctor's getting a piece, the lawyer, the teacher, the plumber, the mechanic, everyone in the community is spending with each other and so forward, you know, and so it was maintained until they got infiltrated, you know what I mean? But the essence of that's what we want to bring forward. So, you know, the brothers in the building here, so, you know what I mean, my brother Bucks, you know what I mean? And so this business will be opening soon, you know what I
Big
mean?
bucks.
Yeah, and we actually shot the video in the venue, you know? So, yeah, more blessings.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, I'm talking about. So, what can we look for in the future from IIL Culcha?
Yes, much things coming forward in the future, you know, much things coming forward in the future. Working on a project right now called the Black Pages, you know, similar to the Yellow Pages. We call it Black Pages, the Rasta Raps, coming forward soon. And by the end of this month, we'll have a art gallery coming forward also because, like I said, I'll do the painting and artwork, so I'll be having a art show in the Bed-Stuy area coming forward, you know.
All right, that's what's up, man. Yeah, so any local artists in the Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn area, yeah, pull up. Stop playing, pull up.
Natural.
Pull up.
Yeah, man, and you know what I mean? As they call me international culture, you never know, star. I might be in a city near you, you know what I mean? So I'd like to, you know, even big up all my VI massive out there, you know what I mean? From St. Thomas,
Yes, sir.
St. Croix,
Yes, sir.
you know, Torah, you
Yes,
know what
sir.
I mean?
Yes, sir.
St.
Yes, sir.
John,
Yes,
you
sir.
know what I mean?
Yeah, me boy.
Big up my peeps, you know?
Yeah,
Oneness.
man. Yeah, man. So, hey, now, what would you say to these upcoming reggae dancehall artists right now in the culture?
Read your Bible.
All right, see, family don't say that ain't. All right.
Yeah, I would encourage
Chant a psalm a day.
Yeah, keep the devil away, is it? Yeah.
naturally, you know?
All right.
And I would encourage ones that, you know, even approaching the music, you know, it's also necessary to study the business aspect of it, you know. Even if you have, even if you hire one to deal with that aspect of it, it's also good to be enlightened of it. In the aspect of how music is today, that independence, ones can, you know, get booked internationally without a booking agency in this independent realm. So if one is more, you know, equipped with the knowledge, he can more survive in the field, you know. And then as far as the content, you know, you give, you know what I mean, what you put out is what you get, you know what I mean. What goes around comes around. So if you know you're putting out bad vibes, same way, you know, you must know you better, you know, it costs with that, you know, everything come with a cost and so far.
Costs to be the boss too.
It costs to be the boss, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, I would encourage ones, you know what I mean, just to stay focused on their craft, even if if they are the only one that believe in it at the time. Eventually, you know, if you stick true, people will sight your vision if you stay on it, you know?
You hear that? Words of IIL culture. You check it? Yeah, man. So here IIL. I know you believe in foundation. You know what I mean?
True.
So here I can drop you on a rock solid foundation rhythm, me boy.
Okay.
Check. And we gonna rock out for me. Yo, people. When your versatile artist be now. Here one now. Let me go through.
Yeah. All right. Hey, let me tell you of a sip, reality sip. When Buccaneers come with that deceiving trick, then come fi bring the God of the Roman Catholic. Fi say it's okay for pack way in a slave ship, and I know black man they might try avoid the whip. Ask any questions, you're going to tell it. But a time we take a stand, we have to defend it. We have to know the truth of our history. Them take away my house, take away my land. Bring me upon the shore, upon the blazing sun. Shackle upon my foot and shackle upon my hand. Them devise a plan for bring me in a Babylon. Them go down in a room for go get sanction. The Pope say African word less than man. Him said the black man was born to subjection, to live in servitude of the white nip. And then them bring me down, yes, down in a strange land. Some work in a house, some work in a land. Even some black man did have whip in a hand. And all now it's still a guana. So let me tell you what was sip, reality sip. When Buccaneers come with that deceiving trick, them come to bring the gun of the Roman Catholic. Fi say it's okay for pack way in a slave, and allow the black man they might try avoid the whip. Ask any questions, you get a lick. But a time we take a stand, if you defend it, we had to know the truth about. Hey, I reminisce and smile. Think about the time before we were taken captive for a spoil. We embraced the banks of the ancient Nile. Ace. Yeah. Different style.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
One thing me just do my homework. Me know IIL culture be. Them no know.
Yeah.
What we say IIL?
Oh. She never leave, I know she'll never go. Stay by I side, never let go. Data, I love her so. Oh, I chose it's you. Oh, for she's an eye and me's an eye. Both I and I will become one eye. I hear the most high, I listen, I see I. The eye blessed to come forth from Mount. I love your daughter and I'm a heart to stay. Never know you yesterday, but today will spark the flame. Anxious for the coming of the brand new day. Brighten up with continents. I read said away. Yeah, they pan me heaven from I unite the part. The way we lit the thoughts come like we share the same heart. Call like me lose a limb. If I unite the part, not the New Jerusalem. She won't get I unite the talk. Aye. She'll never leave, I know she'll never go. She'll stay by I side, never let go. Oh, daughter, oh, I love her so. Oh, I chose tease you, oh, for she's nigh. And reason I, both I and I will become one eye. I yell the most I least Selassie I. The eye bless come forth from Mount Zion I Triplevibes Radio. A DJ rock, you know.
Up there.
Triplevibes Radio. Hey, Box fam, Black Hearts, you know. Hey, another place, you know. As the man there, and we not go boy, you know, no. Hey, no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bless up.
That's it.
Yeah,
Big
man.
tune. Okay.
Yeah.
I like that.
80s baby, so 60s tracks, you know what I mean? Yeah,
So, here I know. So, reason for that, no, see, I'm a 70s baby, brethren. That's it. So, we grew up different. No, you understand? Them type of thing, that real music.
Yeah, but this is a young youth in them 2018, you can really ride them rhythm this, so you know.
No, but I know how I be there.
A blessing,
Okay.
timeless, no time.
That's
Can't
it.
conquer time.
Now you they different. I'm trying to show them him different.
It's a standard, you know?
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man.
Yeah. How you mean? Yeah. Hey, yo, I'm gonna flip it on you. All right, yeah. All right, yo. The pressure's on me. I used to chill, but now I ain't got a second for it. It's hard to chill when the bill collector's checking on you. The flexing on them on the gram, trying to execute the plan to get the funds in my hand. Grind out, shine later, work is in the man. Wrap circles round the corners, giving workers contraband. They catch me slipping, it's curtains for your man. Ghetto traditions turn me to the person that I am, committed and with it. Wanted, I get it. Needed, I got it. Copping out of my pocket, no shame in my game when it's time to get it. Got the hook, the line, it's sinking like I'm going fishing. It's tussling intuition. So I no money chase, I just set the bait. And when I feel a little yank, I know it's time to get the bank. Dollars, euros, pounds of franc, flip a couple pounds of dank, soliciting. On a mission, listening to Shabba ranks, dipping. Driving by the book like my license been suspended. I chose God over superstition. This edition, riding in, dark like the Leviathan. Yeah. Yeah. Bless. Huh.
You understand?
Yeah, bless, man.
Milk River now.
See.
I saw the flex me right now. And so you know the thing go, man. Yeah, man. So here, before I go forward it on, man. My boy, we done Biggie Black, right?
Yeah, man, we're on like 90s popcorn.
Okay. What a man say, real bad man, my boy. Your boss one for Biggie before you go, my boy. Your boss one for Biggie before you go.
B-I-double-G-I-E.
In the name of Biggie.
Baby.
Biggie. Oh, shoot.
Come like a church anthem.
I get the one in for you.
Notorious.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
We say IIL.
Yeah. I did it bop on Biggie Black. I remember when Biggie died, the city cried. I gotta do it B.I.G. every time. You can tell by my rhymes when I'm getting mine. Yeah. Biggie Smalls. Young St. James. Fulton, you know. Bed-Stuy.
This is how we do it.
Yeah. I did the bop on Biggie Block. Cause I remember when Biggie died, the city cried. I gotta do it B.I.G. every time. Could tell by my line when I'm getting mine. Yeah, this is revolution redefined. You could get it online or televised. You could get it when you hear it knocking at your door. It's killing in the street and blood on the wall. An M16 on a preteen. Street scheme, living extreme. Still we untouchable, uncrushable. Deuce, so tuckable. I told, so comfortable. I'll be gone, I'll be back in a month or two. Yeah. Now I'll be gone, I'll be back in a month or two. I'm trying to live comfortable. Again, Diddy Bop on Biggie Block. Remember when Biggie died, the city cried. I gotta do it B.I.G. every time. You could tell by my lines when you get in mine. Gone for the day, but I'll be back with the dinner. Facts, I'm the hunter, provider, the breadwinner. Shame of a man that's coming home with empty hands. That's how enough niggas end up in the can. I do all I can just to feed the fam. Cause in this crazy kind of world, children need their dad. Yeah. Blackness, you know? Give thanks.
Yeah,
Nigga.
for real. Now you know. If you didn't know who IIL was, now you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's what I talking about. That's what I talking about.
Salute.
For real.
Yeah, man.
Big up the boy, the IIL, for real, man.
Yeah, man. And bless up DJ Rock, man. And
Yeah.
Triplevibes Radio, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Rock Solid Entertainment.
Don't know. Give
The whole
thanks.
family.
Yeah,
You
man.
know?
Give thanks for coming through,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, man. Give thanks. You don't know, like a rock that day. You see it? Like a rock that day.
That's
That's it. Okay.
The Rock.
Alright.
Yeah, you
See,
mean
my
that.
pops was a Rolling Stone there. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, man. Still I make picnic. And my born on Bob Marley birthday still. Yeah, man. That's it. My pops, yeah, man. I read, yeah, man. Real general. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Man is kids of generals. You understand? Yeah. So they think different still.
Lineage.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. So here we are go through the door still.
Born on any OG birthday, any famous person birthday?
Yeah, just Island culture, you know what I mean? Aries, the Aryan, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you know what I mean?
You're the pioneer for your day.
Yeah. The Renaissance man.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, but give thanks, people, for, you know what I mean? My boy, the passing through highly culture and bless up the place, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, enough love. You check? Enough love, brethren. Yeah, man. You know? Yeah, man. Give thanks, people. Give thanks. Yeah, man. I understand. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Next week, different artists again, man. You know what I mean? Coming out of Brooklyn, you see it. Yeah, man. Get to work with a get to youth, you know what I mean? Went on some brethren link me and I went and checked the youth, you know what I mean? When I hear the man voice, I say, wow, okay, alright, I got something original for you. So I'm gonna play it off on now and I'm gonna get to see the youth the next week, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Easy. Think I'll get to your life.
Good interview, you know? Good interview. Yeah, man.
What we say now? You go by the name of Flex, thing called Ghetto Life, original rock solid rhythm, thing called Pain Rhythm. Out on iTunes right now. What we say?
Giving you the hits from today and yesterday. Triple Vibes Radio, triplevibes.com. Keep it locked.
Oh, la 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 la, yeah, yeah. Can't get enough of how you put it on me, yeah, yeah. Ooh, I'm feeling in the morning, yeah, you got me feeling in the evening. It's just the way you put the goodie on me. Ooh, makes me want it all the time. Ooh, you got me, baby, with your eyes, yeah. Whoa, and the way you ride it blows my mind. I can't go a moment without thinking about it. Oh yeah, lady, you're truly one of a kind. Yeah, the way you love me in the morning, you keep me coming every